Good afternoon, dear students. Welcome back to our maths class. Today, we are going to discuss two important problems regarding volume of sphere. Okay, so let's go to our first question. I will read the question. Okay, this is our question. Find the volume of sphere whose surface area is 154 centimeter square. Okay, we need to find the volume of this sphere. Then what is given? Surface area is given. Okay, so this is a sphere. Surface area is given. Okay, we know surface area of sphere is, what is surface area of sphere? Total surface area and curved surface area for a sphere, both are same. Okay, that is 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square is given. Okay, so given surface area of sphere. Surface area of sphere, that is 4 pi r square is equal to what? 154 centimeter square. Surface area, so centimeter square. Then from this we need to find radius. When we get radius, we have to find volume very easily. Okay, so radius is not given and volume also not given. Okay, so from this 4 pi r square is equal to 154. Then substitute the values. 4 into 22 by 7 into r square is equal to 154. Okay, then what is r square here? R square, then 154 into 7 divided by 4 into 22. 22 and 152 cancel here, 7. Okay, then r square is equal to 7 into 7 divided by 4. That is 49 by 4. R square is 49 by 4. Then what is r root of 49 by 4? That is 7 by 2 centimeter. So radius is 7 by 2 centimeter. Okay, radius is 7 by 2 centimeter. Then find volume. Volume of sphere is equal to, volume of sphere, we know the formula, 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, that's equal to 4 by 3 into pi 22 by 7 into r 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Okay, then 7 cancelled, 2 22, here 11, then 2 4, then here 2, this 2 and this 2 cancelled, then what remains? 11 into 7 divided by 3, that is 11 into 7, 77 into 7 divided by 3. 77 into 7, 49, 4, 49 and 53, which implies 539 divided by 3. Okay, 539 divided by 3. And 5 one time, then 3, 23, 7 times, 21, then 2, 29. How many times? 9 times, then 27. Then what remains? Remainder is 2. That is 179. Then 2 by 3. 2 by 3 centimeter cube. Clear? So volume of the sphere whose surface area is 154 is, volume of sphere of surface area 154 centimeter square is equal to 179 2 by 3 centimeter cube. Clear? Okay, dear students, let us go to our second question. I will read. Okay, all of you listen here. The diameter of the moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. What fraction of the volume of the earth is the volume of the moon? Okay, in this question we need to find the volume, the ratio of volume of earth and moon. Okay, Same type of question we have discussed in surface area section, right? You're already familiar. So what are the factors given? Let us take the diameter of the earth as d. Okay, diameter of earth is equal to d. Then what will be radius? Radius of earth is equal to d by 2. Okay, so next, diameter of moon. Diameter of moon is 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. So d by 4. Diameter of moon is equal to d by 4. Then what will be radius? Radius of moon. Radius of moon is equal to 1 by 2 into d by 4. That is d by 8. D by 8. Okay. Then we have to find the ratio. Ratio is equal to volume of moon divided by volume of earth. Okay, then what is volume of moon? Moon and earth are basically in spherical shape. So volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 4 by 3 pi r cube. Moon. So m. Moon, radius of moon divided by 4 by 3 pi r cube, radius of, here we can write earth, radius of earth. Okay, so we can cancel 4 by 3 pi. Okay, then what remains? Radius of moon cube divided by radius of earth cube. Okay, radius of moon is, we know radius of moon is d by 8. 8 cube by d by 2 cube, which implies ratio is equal to ratio of volumes. Okay, ratio is equal to d cube by 8 cube into then 2 cube by d cube. Then d cube cancel. Then 2 cube by, which implies 2 cube by 8 cube. 2 cube is 2 into 2 into 2. 8 cube is 8 into 8 into 8. 2, 8 cancel, here 4. Here also 4. Here also 4. So 1 by 4 into 4 into 4, 64. So the ratio of earth and volume of ratio of volumes of earth and moon is 1 by 64 or 1:64. Clear? Okay, dear students, we have discussed two problems from the portion volume of sphere. Okay, so you have to write these two problems first in your notebook. After that, you have to write your homework. Okay, so and submit at the earliest. Okay, your notes and homework you should submit on the correct time. So let's wind up today's topic, today's class. So thank you. Have a nice day.